Okay, guys, so all time my focus is to just get to the point because a lot of YouTuber or a lot of dropshipper talk too much, but they don't show the main point at the end of the at the starting because I always focus your time, my audience time, because time is very valuable. So let's get to the point. This is the TikTok audience size that lot of how many audience in TikTok, like Indonesia 157 million. Okay, Indonesia, United States, Brazil. This is the graph, like how many audience in TikTok right now. Over 1 billion, almost 2 billion active users every day in the TikTok. So that's why TikTok is very a popular platform for dropshipping, and day by day it is higher growing. So let's start and see the practically that how you will start on TikTok shop dropshipping. First of all, you have to think that here are three types of TikTok shop advertising, which is one is live stream. You can advertise your product in live stream. Number two is shoppable videos. It means that you will shoot a video before and you will edit it, then upload it on your TikTok. Number three is shop page. In system, this system you don't need to make video, just suppose you have uploaded this video and your audience gone to another product by your profile, then they get this product. So this is the three systems for TikTok shop dropshipping. And let's go to the next step. If you want to start TikTok shop dropshipping, first of all, just very simple, you will go on Google and type on sellercenter.tiktok.shop, and then you will find this page, and you will select in which region you are living, like if you in Asia, Europe, North America, and they suggest some specific countries for starting dropshipping. North America, like they suggest USA, Europe like UK, and Asia like Malaysia and other top countries. So you have to see which country you are living and which country TikTok allowing for TikTok dropshipping. And then you will find the page. When you will select the country, then you will choose the individual, because individuals have benefit. They don't need to business documents or other things. So just choose the individual. It's very simple and easy to set up the business TikTok shop. And then after you set up the TikTok shop, you will come to this page. This page you will see totally same in Shopify, like here is orders, products, marketing, and everything. In products you will add product, everything, like when you click on product, then you will see the manage product, everything. Just add new product. You will let's say that here is one product already added. So very simple. Just add your product. Okay, and in this section is very easy. This section have no not much work. Only you have to add product and make video. And then after you add product, you will click on here and you will link your personal TikTok account. So here is, you have to create two account. First of all, you have a primary account, personal account, and after that you will create that seller.tiktok account, and then this two account will be linked. Okay, so your account setup is done. And then you will come to Shopify, because Shopify is very flexible, user friendly platform for e-commerce business. And in Shopify you will get lot of features and payment section, customer order checkout, everything is very easy, and it's very popular now. Then in Shopify you will just install this app's own base. It's officially for TikTok and Shopify connection, and then you will connect this TikTok shop in these apps. Okay, and after you connect, then you will go to your TikTok business account, or no on your personal account, and just only make video. After make video your product, then you will see the add link. and add link. When you click, this product section will come, and in product section when you will click, then your product list will come only you select the product that you are advertising or making video. So guys, the last thing I want to talk you that uh, almost any type of product work in TikTok, which is the main product are like beauty product, home sector product, and other side fashion product. These are for very trending in TikTok shop. So you have to make viral content. Okay, if your content will viral, then everything is possible in e-commerce. You will get lot of sales. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe my channel, and everything if you need I will help you. Let's make a win-win business. I am a professional dropshipping supplier in this sector. 5 years I am working. Okay, so thank you so much.